In today's video, I'll show you how to use a wired internet connection on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. Thankfully, it's nice and simple, but it will only work in docked mode. All you need to do is connect your Ethernet cable into the port. The port is under the HDMI port on the dock. Once fully connected, we can check that it's working. On the Switch 2 home screen, head to the System Settings app, and then scroll down until you are in the Internet section. You should see that it says Wired Connection in the Connection Status section. If it doesn't, select Internet Settings on here, and then select the Wired Connection option and choose Connect via Wired Connection from the drop-down menu. It should now say that it's connected. If not, check the cables and connections. That's how to use a wired internet connection on your Nintendo Switch 2. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.